Lucid was built for teams. And now, to help everyone work better together, we're going all in on our team experience. Create and invite members to a new team, whether a formal department or a private working group. Share documents with the team directly so the right people have access to the right information. Every team has its own team hub, a central location for documentation, workflows, and projects. Create documents as a team, manage work as a team, and increase knowledge sharing, as a team. Within the Team Hub, you can pin a team space that serves as your home base for coordination. For example, an Agile team might pin their sprint planning board as the team space so they can frequently return to it. Win at teamwork with Lucid and stay ahead of the competition.